So I've set the machine to a full zigzag. And what we're going to do is visually, we want to see if the needle, if the hook tip is going to go behind the eye of the needle. Okay, and there's the hook tip. We can see the hook tip down in there going behind the eye of the needle. But unfortunately, what's happening, it's kind of hard to see. The eye of the needle is just rising right as the hook tip comes in, and then the hook, it's actually striking the needle. So I can feel this in the hand wheel. Visually, you can kind of see the hook striking. So the problem is that the hook's out of time.